So here's Burke's little school project. He had to build a working slot machine that gave candy every time, regardless of what it landed on, and then if it got the jackpot, you get a bigger piece of candy. So we use these little things called little bits. They're kind of expensive, but I've always been wanting to get a set. It's basically Legos, but electronic things. So here's a power source, which is just a 9-volt battery, a button, a latch circuit, and then this is just a fork to take one connector and turn it into 3. And then this LED is on. It'll eventually be replaced with a servo motor that will open a door to drop the candy. So it's on right now because it just got done on a cycle, so it kicked out a piece of candy. And the button and everything will be eventually turned into a lever that you pull to start the wheels spinning, and then you'll press the button just like you do on a real slot machine to stop the wheels. So if I get them going, I've only got 2 motors right now. We have to wait for the other motor that I ordered, but we've got a third, wheel that'll go in there and spin too. But they spin, and then you can press the button to stop the spinning, and then that one doesn't stop spinning right away because it's on a timeout circuit. Just like a real slot machine, the wheels stop in succession, so that's exactly what they'll do. There's a delay timeout circuit. This one will stop immediately, and then this one next, and then finally this one. And then of course when they stop, notice I got pretty much a match just on that turn. The light's on now again, which means the servo kicked on. You kick out a piece of candy. But had I gotten dinosaurs, notice there's a notch missing right here in the wheel, which you won't see when the front of the jackpot machine is on. But that slot lets a Christmas light that I can turn on right here. Lets a Christmas light shine a beam of light down on another component, which is this light sensor right here. And so this light sensor will get mounted in the case right there. And as soon as that light sensor sees this light through this slot, it knows you landed on a dinosaur. And if all 3 light sensors see that light and turn on, then the other servo will kick on to give you the bigger piece of candy. And we'll figure out how to make all that fit inside of a little cabinet here, or a cardboard box or something that we put all this in. But that's essentially how it works. You can stop the one. They don't spin very fast, obviously, so when all 3 of them are going, if you really want to try to get a jackpot, you can hit the button right when this one comes on the dinosaur, because that's the one that sometimes is kind of finicky. So I can stop this one right on the dinosaur, and then let's see if, no. So, but anyway, and just show you, this light will go off. The servo resets every time I start a new cycle. The servo goes off, which means the latch shuts and gets the next piece of candy. And as soon as I end the cycle, there it comes on. As soon as the last wheel ends in its spot, then the servo comes on and kicks out the candy. So that's this little project.